We're now approaching the, I don't know how to pronounce it, in Orlando's, the North Alafaya Trail Supercharger. Alright, it looks like they've got some amenities. Also looks like a mall. Let's see who the actual host is. It looks like the Best Buy group. Yep. Oh, there's a Target. Were we here last time? There it is. Wow, that's a turn. Alright, then we have arrived. Let's take a look. 2B, 3B. You can hear those ramp it up on the Supercharge. Alright, let's give it a look. I guess we'll go for, is it the Best Buy or the Target?
Target.
Oh, look at Model X. Alright, so we'll figure out where we're going to go for lunch in a minute. The 14 stall supercharger here has one pull in, and all of the rest are in the traditional layout. You got 4A, 4B, etc., where the station right next to you is the one that you're worried about for sharing a charge. And the equipment's off behind some bushes here. It's kind of neat. It's kind of an interesting layout there. So the stalls are in the back of the area, which means that you're unlikely to get iced, but it does increase your walk in the rain and the heat to the establishments. That Super Target looks like it might be 24 hours, so that would take care of the late night restrooms. But we're gonna go ahead and get something to eat, and then we'll come back and figure out what we're gonna rate this thing for you. The Target isn't open 24 hours, but it'll be good for quite a while. You'd be good through midnight, so as long as you're not on the latest of late nights, you should be fine. The Alafaya Supercharger is, I like it. I was going to give it a 6 because of all the walking and the heat, but I'm going to give it a 7 because of the selection. And you've got the movie theater and the Target, which will be open fairly late for restroom stops. The Target closes at midnight, and then obviously the movie theater will be anywhere from 11 o'clock to 2 a.m. depending on what they're showing. And so we're going to give this a 7 out of 10 for selection, location, and the amount of superchargers. So selection, location, and the amount of superchargers. And with that, we're off to Kennedy Space Center.